So y'all, I'm really loving this hair dryer right here. Everyone was saying to buy the Revlon one, but I thought this was pretty good. So I went with this one. And it is. I really, really like it. I would recommend like you either letting your hair dry a little bit at first on its own, or if you want to go in with another hair dryer to get most of it, let's say 50% dry. I found this works better if your hair is already about 50% dry. I guess just because it doesn't take as long. You can do it from totally wet hair, but I found before I was using this, I was using a hair dryer and a roller brush. And so I had both of my hands doing things with the tools. And I really feel like this is so much better. It really does give the lift just like you would want with a round brush. This does get pretty hot. You know, like you have to kind of move your hand further down as you go, but it really works well. I haven't found like it has messed my hair up in any way. It dries it well. And so I'd say out of 1 to 10, this is a good 8.5 or 9.